What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I wanted to do a quick price analysis and the price prediction on KEEP3RV1. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, KEEP3RV1. I saw that it was listed on the Kraken exchange yesterday, so excuse me. So that's all great news. Volume is up a lot. I think the project is very interesting as well. KEEP3R, that's the ticker, the abbreviation, that's the governance token, and I think you can also stake it, so get rewards for securing the network in essentially. But yeah, the volume is up 150 million. That's all good. As I said, project looks great. So let's dive right into it. See what's happening right now and what could happen in the upcoming days. Before we start, I wanted to say two quick things, or just two quick disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is not financial advice, and second of all, that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets, fundamentally seen. So if any with that I mean, if any big fundamental event happens throughout the world, like a further escalation of the war in Ukraine, please forget about the analysis, because in the end fundamentals are still stronger than technicals, and stronger than a technical analysis. So having said that, let's get right into it. So KEEP3RV1 has actually not really broken through this key level, but it did reach it around $700. But to be honest, it's more like 690 up until 740. And when I did the analysis, price was actually around 700, and I thought I think we can get higher with KEEP3RV1 in the next few days. But for that to happen, I thought we would need to stay above $700, which we did, or break or go down and then like take a quick hit off of 670 and then go up from there. That's a 382 FIB, which is quite strong most of the times with these moves with a lot of momentum in essence. So I think now it's struggling a little bit between or with breaking this 740, 750 level again. But I think if we can break above 740, I think then we can actually get up to this next key level, which is, you know, I would say 800 would be a nice price target, but that's relatively conservative as well. So let's just take this whole key level, which is between 800 and 875. And let's look at the middle. There's quite a strong key level right there at 840. So I think if we manage to close above 740 from this move, I think we can get as high as at least 800, but also 840, $835, which would be great for holders, but also for the long term, that we actually reach that price again. So yeah, from that 840 or 800, I do think we'll drop down quite a bit to 700 again. It's just a really strong key level, but still, as I said, it's great for the long term. So in a rare scenario that we now drop down from 740 and actually break that 382 FIB at $670, if that happens, although that seems unlikely, we'll probably drop down all the way to $600. Maybe consolidate a little bit along the way at 640, but still in the end drop down to $600. But as I said, that really looks like it's not happening right now. The price still looks bullish, and there is still, I believe that there's still momentum. Yeah, volume is still growing. So that's basically my analysis on KEEP3RV1. If you do have any questions about anything I said or the analysis in totality, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.